Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo and today you're cooking with me. It was about time for a dessert recipe, right? We're making delicious lemon cake, so if you're craving something sweet and easy to make, this is the perfect cake for you. The sweet and sour combination of the chocolate and lemon is amazing. It really has a nice kick to it. To make this beautiful cake, you'll be needing 200 grams of flour, 50 grams of cornstarch, 2 eggs, 200 grams of powdered sugar or 1 baking chocolate, 1 lemon, 125 grams of regular sugar, 125 grams of butter, and half a pack of baking powder. Start by preheating your oven to 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. Then take your baking tray and grease it up with butter on all sides. Put some flour over it and put it aside. Now for the batter. Measure 200 grams of flour and put it in a bowl. Add 50 grams of cornstarch and half a pack of baking powder. Now make sure to mix everything very well. After you've combined the ingredients, it's time to add some more. Take your lemon and grate the lemon zest. Then slice it in half and squeeze out the lemon juice. Okay, the lemon is done. Now measure 125 grams of sugar and add it in a bowl along with 2 eggs. Whew, we're almost done. Melt the butter and add it in the bowl. Then add the lemon juice and lemon zest. That's it. Your ingredients are ready to be mixed. Grab your mixer and mix everything until it combines into a nice batter. It should take about 20 seconds. Now all there's left to do is to transfer the batter into the tray. Spread it out evenly and let it bake for 45 minutes at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. And make sure to check on your cake every 15 minutes to make sure everything is going right. And by doing that, do not open the oven and let the heat out. Look through the oven glass door. After 45 minutes, our cake is done. Now turn the oven off and take the cake out. Let it rest and cool down a little bit. Another way of checking if your cake is done is to stick a toothpick in, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then that means your cake needs no more time in the oven. After the cake has cooled down, melt about 250 grams of chocolate and pour it all over the cake like this. Now wait for the chocolate to cool down and transfer the cake to the fridge to let the chocolate harden and get that nice shell glaze. You can glaze the cake by either mixing 200 grams of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can melt some chocolate and pour it all over the cake. It's absolutely your choice and a matter of preference. I like to mix it up, so sometimes I use the powdered sugar version and sometimes the chocolate one. Wow, it really looks delicious. And here's the cake sliced up so you can see the inside of it too. Every bite gives you a little bit of chocolate and the lemon on the other side as a contrast. It's really tasty and a perfect refreshing dessert. If you decide to make this dessert, let me know down in the comments how you liked it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new recipe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye!